What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Let's make some cornmeal porridge. When last you drink some porridge, comment down below. Before I get into the recipe, remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm going to allow some water and coconut milk to come to a boil. I'm also going to flavor this by adding some cinnamon leaf, nutmeg, vanilla extract and almond extract. And as usual, I will list all the ingredients in the description, so make sure to check that out. You can use cinnamon sticks instead of the leaves. I'm going to cover and allow this to come to a boil. Let's mix the cornmeal. So here I have 1 cup of fine cornmeal and I'm going to add 2 cups of water. Once you're done here and your pot comes to a boil, add the entire mixture and mix properly to prevent lumps. Preferably use a whisk because you want minimal to no lumps in your porridge, alright? And just continue to mix until the porridge starts to thicken, after which I'm going to half cover the pot and allow this to cook for about 20 minutes. So as the porridge cooks, you can always adjust the thickness by adding a bit more water or coconut milk or any other plant-based milk. By the time you're done and the porridge cooked, it should be creamy and smooth. Now, as I mentioned before, I'm going to half cover the pot and allow this to cook for about 20 minutes. And in the space of that 20 minutes, I'm going to occasionally check on the porridge and give it a stir. Porridge is almost cooked. I'm just going to give this a few more minutes and then I'm going to add the sweetener and some more spice. So at this point, porridge cooked, you can turn off your stove, add the sweetener and some more spice. Look how the porridge creamy and smooth. To sweeten, I'm using some vegan condensed milk, but you can use whatever sweetener of your choice. I'm also going to add some more nutmeg, vanilla extract and almond extract. Make sure to sweeten this to your liking. And that's it, porridge up and running. Smooth, creamy, flavorful, warm, with the right amount of sweetness. Oh, I love porridge. I'm going to top it off with some more nutmeg and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you try and enjoy the recipe. And until next time, bless upon yourself.